Dyslexia reading success. The big picture of dyslexia. Dyslexia has two sides, the error in the spelling code and the global processing style. That's the learning and thinking style. But let's talk about the code while you feel my style. Cause a dyslexic's ear tells him there's a W in one, but not in two. It's easy to get confused. Like A is for apple, but it has 5 different sounds. Cat, cake, father, soda. And the sh sound can be spelled 30 different ways. Shaw, mission, nation, issue, schist, ocean, sure, machine, special, tension, conscience, nauseous, she. It's crazy cause there's more to dyslexia than we are told. Just like the O sound has 29 different spellings, and here's 6 of them. To, move, wooby, moon, woo, through. I thought there was a one-to-one relationship between letters and sound. Was sounds like it has an O, but it's spelled with the A. Just like break rhymes with bake and not beak. Even E may be represented in 13 different ways. Could rhymes with word, bird, heard, and purred. You see, there's more to dyslexia than we are told. Woe can be an argument of war in a bow. Wind can be this gas that I'm about to blow. Or wind it up and go buy this book from Lloyd Christie. Dyslexia reading success for the creative genius in the youth.